The Feast of Pentecost, or the Feast of Weeks, is the second of the three great Jewish festivals. Its name signifies that it concludes the period of 7 weeks, which began with the presentation of the first sheaf of the barley harvest during the Passover celebration. Originally, the festival was the time when the appropriate rituals and ceremony, the first fruits of the corn harvest, the last Palestinian crop to ripen, were formally dedicated. So the harvest feast of Pentecost provided the ideal setting for the public manifestation of the outpouring of the Holy Spirit. So during the festival of harvest, all the Jews from the diaspora came to Jerusalem. And it was also a fitting divine strategy. The people who witnessed the fantastic event and had put their trust in the apostolic preaching and committed themselves to Christ would nonetheless be its ambassadors. So it was in the upper room, closed room, along with Mother Mary to lead them. The apostles, disciples of Jesus were frightened and were hiding behind the door in the room. And there, as you heard, Jesus enters the room. Of course, he was resurrected, as he already ascended into heaven. So his body was different from that which was a resuscitated body, nor was it a body brought alive. It was a resurrected body, and he could enter through the walls, he could enter closed doors. So he enters the room and outpours the Holy Spirit on the apostles. And it was physically seen in the form of tongue of fire.